Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a Flappy Bird game in Scratch. First, open Scratch and start a new project. You'll need to design your main character, the bird, ensuring it's a manageable size, perhaps around 20 to 30% of its original scale. Next, create two distinct pipe sprites, one for the top and one for the bottom, and a simple background to set the scene. This initial setup is crucial for building the game's foundation. Now, let's give our bird some physics. Implement a constant downward movement, perhaps changing its Y position by -3 or 4 units repeatedly. When a key, like the space bar, is pressed, make the bird jump upwards by changing its Y position by 10 to 12 units. Experiment with these values to find a natural feeling gravity and jump height, ensuring the bird's movement feels responsive and challenging. For the obstacles, we'll use pipe clones. Program a pipe sprite to continuously create clones of itself, appearing from the right side of the screen at random Y positions. Each clone should then move steadily to the left, simulating the scrolling environment. Once a pipe clone moves completely off the left edge of the screen, ensure it is deleted to prevent an accumulation of sprites and maintain game performance. Finally, let's add game over conditions and scoring. Use a touching block to detect when the bird sprite collides with any pipe clone. Upon collision, broadcast a game over message to stop all scripts. To score, detect when the bird successfully passes between a pair of pipes, incrementing a score variable by 1 point each time. Display this score prominently on the screen for players to track their progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.